Hello and welcome. My name is Lauren and I'm coming to you from the Our Lady of the Snow Faith Formation program. And today we're going to learn how to navigate the publisher website that we use for our Alive in Christ textbooks, levels 1 through 6. So the first thing you do is go to aliveinchrist.osv.com. Once you're there, you click Parish, then lesson planning, because we're going to talk about today how to use the resources on this site to prepare a lesson. So once you get this, click lesson planning. You're going to sign in. If you don't have a username and password, you can register. Click register now. Enter the ISBN number on the back of your catechist textbook, and then you'll be prompted to create a username and password. So I'm going to go in through mine. Okay, so you're going to click on plan a lesson. You pick your grade level, so we'll pick 2. Pick what kind of lesson you'd like to create. Click chapter. Then you, on the side here, are all the chapters in the entire textbook. So you choose your textbook chapter. So let's say it's chapter 2 for level 2. Once you get the appropriate chapter, then you're going to begin building your lesson plan. So let me tell you what they have here for you. First, they have an entire lesson plan for the whole chapter here. You can pick and choose what you want from here. You can't get it all done in 35, 40 minutes, so you choose what you feel is most important from the chapter. That's to start. You don't have to print that out, however, because there's so much here for you. There are tips. For example, here, if you click on this preview, it'll talk about how to utilize the lesson working with special needs students. Here, Activity Master is the handout. There's a chapter test. Every time you start, you could use a theme song if you choose to begin, if your kids love to sing. Here, Catechist Edition Instruction. If you preview that, it will tell you how to deal with this part of the chapter word for word, what to say to your class, and gives you examples of how they might respond. You might lean on this heavily as a new catechist, but after a while you will get more confident. However, everything that you need to know is here. Catechist tips explain things about the chapter. There's also a chapter story, a trip to the zoo. Sometimes they have short fiction, other times they have a poem, and it's always a springboard to discussion. Okay, there's songs. There are all these activities that you can choose to fit the needs of your class, and they address multiple intelligences, different learning styles. So based on your class, you choose which activities they would really respond well to as learners. So let's say I want to print out some of these things. Let's say I want to pick a video. I want to pick an activity. Maybe I need some help with the instruction. So I'm going to click here for the things that I want to download. Maybe I need this tip. I want to do this activity. Okay. Next, after I click all the things that I want to download, I go to download queue. This will just give you an outline of what you chose. You download all the files. Okay. You open it. And then you'll see your lesson and it'll be printable.